Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
You remember around the country already, so every woman have a talent. No cruff woman. The days when time man talk about them and mind man, them days are done. Everybody work together under one harmony. That's what we talk. Everybody have to work together under one harmony. Woman fear help them man and man fear help the woman. And something go. Why you believe the country mash down some people? My daddy, safer. Because I pay a cruff woman, you have 98% of cruff woman left in the world of people because all the colonization stay in the people, them turn the woman them in a cruff, you know. But oh, you have to sit down a yard and wait for man. No. And I saw the thing when I got China people. When I got China, you know, people are India, you know. The woman them in the farm with them man, you know. And the man in the farm with them woman and people. Woman them everyone cow and goat, you know. And the man everyone cow and goat. And when I come around some of people, I see the most cruff woman in my life. Woman that talk about them and wait for them vagina to stay alive. You understand? Christmas. No present. Oh, the vagina ya. Birthday. The man them not get a present. Oh, the vagina ya. Easter. The man them not get the present. Oh, the vagina ya. So there's a wait. I sell yourself pum pum. Because now, if every day a vagina. So wait. You can't buy me a car for my birthday. You can't buy me nothing for my birthday. No sir. I pum pum them money yourself. But go on auntie. The most cruff woman people around here, so I see them people. Cause you are going a vagina the woman them sell. A vagina. That's why I say big up all. Yo bossy, come here man, cause you are my teacher, you know. Uncle, if Christmas the woman them not give a present, a vagina them give it. And we have to give them house, we have to give them car, we have to give them food, we have to give them clothes, not it. And what them give it? Boom boom alone. So they sell themselves. I don't come out and bitch them there now. Because they buy now. When you go to the fuck shop, you know, you have to get some pum pum. So imagine now, you want a truck tire and the girl can't buy one. You want some oil, she can't buy you. But yet still every day you have to get a TV, you have to get a stove, you have to get an earpiece. That's better you go buy some front of the road, don't it? You're not safer. So them women nowadays 99% of them are cruff. If you have a woman now, I should not help you in the business, a cruff. They make them trick you now. I buy you now. Yeah. Yeah, but I'm so daddy. Yeah, but alright, so me young virgin of people. And then see I'm young and that man have him truck and everything people. So them look at you the people, independent. Yo, but they know say you're a truck the man. Yeah. Yes and people. I say the people. If you forget, remember and she just stay home and stretch her hand. She's a private whore. Any woman wanna help in her business. Bossy, if a woman not help in her business and she just stretch out her hand, she's a private one. Whore. So the boss, anything the boss has certain. I like to tell. Because remember, you know, Christmas, I have to give her. Easter, I have to give her. And all the things she give her some pum pum.
Don't more.
It's not cheap, you got back road. Because at least the back road of $500 you give the girl, and you come, and you go there, God, tomorrow give her $500. But you have a woman in your yard where you have to buy her earpiece, you have to buy her fridge, you have to buy her stove, you have to buy her car. And all she give you? Pum pum alone. And they give you headache one top of it up. And they give her, oh, you don't do nothing for me. Yeah, and then she still can't give the pum pum. Now you wonder why the man will kill the woman them now. We don't support it, but now you wonder why. You understand? Yeah.
Yeah, go on.
People, a reality. Why you believe most of the man them stress people? And the reality. So that's why when me run the country fully people. Bossy.
You're back the police.
Every woman have ever trade with me around the country, you know. Any woman wanna work, you know, a prison I'm going, you know. Any woman wanna have a trade in a prison I'm going with me around the country, you know. So people, there's something there. Oh, my son, bossy. Yeah, man. See, I'll be if I stretch feet, baby, man, I stretch them out, you know. Yeah, man. So people, any woman wanna bossy, which woman help you now?
Help down.
Help them. Yeah, man. Well, go on. No, they come in, Davey. Because we're up on TV, so we can talk. You're a big man. Come here, the boss, to talk. Imagine, Christmas, your woman not give you the present. Birthday, pum pum she tell us she give you. Easter, pum pum she tell. Father's Day, look at pum pum she give you. But for Mother's Day, you have to give her big buck here, you have to give her big this, big that. For her birthday, you have to give her big this. And every weekend, you have to give her money.
Yeah, and they respect the tenderness of them, you know?
So,
we have to respect that tenderness.
no, you will go on now. So that is a war.
No.
Tell me on a war. Tell me how the pum pum have you buy.
I don't buy it. Remember, with due respect, you have her at your own comfort and whatever. Just like your clothes. And your comfort, you keep it clean and you buy it.
No.
Cologne put on it.
Alright, but you know, my clothes serve a purpose because if we wear them out to the boss,
Yeah,
now, the boss like work.
It's female that serve a purpose.
What kind of purpose?
Yeah, save it from use your face. And jaculate yourself.
No man, alright, you want to work it out cheaper?
Yeah.
Back road, you know.
Yeah.
$500. I just check it out because you know Jamaica do be show, so I don't believe we got back road but check out the price. I said, so your woman where you have a yard, what not help her work, what not help her do not task, just sit down and lay down and talk about a clean house and she cook. She not no woman not cook for you, the woman not clean house you.
Yeah, man, might be a man a clean man and give me clean bed to sleep in.
No, listen man. No, you know why? Me tell us a lie. Guess what now? If she a fear with the house, what she have to go do?
She have to do the same,
She have to go clean the house.
Yeah, but she
Alright now. If she want to eat, what she have to go do? To cook. So that you she cook for, herself she cook for, but she just give some of the food. I like what the boss say. Alright, I see bro God. She not cook for it. I want herself she cook for, but she just give some of the food. I like what the boss say. She not wash, and she have to wash her clothes, you know. That's different, but you get a whole heap of money. So it's not cheap, you carry clothes, got dry cleaner. And you get the clothes well pressed, well fabulous, well everything. I like what the boss say. People don't make the woman them chicken no. No woman not cook for the man. You understand? They have to cook for themselves. No woman not clean no house about, oh, I've been washing and been cooking for 200 years. I lie never tell. Because every woman when me ever talk to, when I got them house, I'm house clean. So I say, oh yeah, and that's why you're there with her. Because you say she clean. Every woman we're there with, she have to cook. So when I go her yard, I smell all the pot smell. I say, baby, bear some of your food now. Because remember, you know, she give her cousin, she give her niece food, she give her mother food, and she send food go give her granny because the pot enough. I like Dave. So Dave, don't be the chicken now. No woman now cook for you personal. Like they tell.
She and herself, yes.
And she and herself. And then she have the pitney them, she not have to cook for the pitney them. Because remember that sometimes you love a woman, you take her up with another man pitney, you know.
Basically, I was a neighbor, you better not dinner, that's still good.
Easily. So for the neighbor, poop of Jesus, he work out the bottom bossy. But just some year you alone work out the bottom, finally work it out. So people, if you have your neighbor and you beg them some food, they will go still give you. So people, I hate them woman they give them bossy. Majority of the woman are cruff. You understand? Hungry woman and a cruff people. Unless you see when I got the Chinaman store and the Chinaman wife help him, you know. I like to tell. When I got the Jewish man store, the Indian man store, who help him? But when you come out our look at business place, who help with? And the worker them a rob more time, so they have to check up on them all. But if the wife they just come in the business, but she walk up and say, yo, give me the credit card. People, otherwise up. So the boss say, I'm telling the truth, people. Not true about it. You understand? So we have to know them thing, the people. So when we fully run the country, people, every woman have to work. You understand? And every man have to have at least 5 wives to 6 wives. Because boss says we have the 1 wife thing. And if you're dishonest, you know, it will mash up your head, you know. But you see, if you have 6 or 5 wives, and one of them dishonest, you know, to get here, you're going to feel because you love her, you know. But you got 4 more, 6 more wives for comfort, don't it? So no man have to kill a woman them time there. You understand? And then she have to tell why she get a bun. And if she can't tell why she get a bun now, she got a prison. You understand? Because no woman must be dishonest to the man. I say good people. I know enough how the woman is not going to like your part there, you know. But any woman give them man bun, they go to prison. Man can't give bun. There's no way a man can't give bun. Bossy, a 2-headed man think with, you know. A man think with him cocky head and him think with him head up your say, you know. So when him think with him cocky head and him give a woman that head there, after him coming, him come to him senses, you know. So him gone back home, gone for him real wife, you know. So him like, this is what a woman that road again. I like me tell. I say about woman give bun, you know. I want head them a think with, you know. So they may give bun real. So a man can't give bun. No, in the Bible. How much wife are you the man have?
5.
5, you must say mad.
30 yard.
What kind of, how much wife King Solomon have? 300 wife and 2,000 concubine. How much wife Saul have? So if we say we are Christian, we have to move like how Jesus they move. I remember, you know, Jesus recorded with 2 women, you know. Because remember, you know, Jesus said have Mary of Bangladesh, you know. I did there with the woman down by the well, you know. Remember, you know, so 2 women Jesus have, you know. So you know, so 2 extra holy, you know. So you have to have super holy woman to come here, you know. So Mary of Bangladesh and the woman down by the well. You understand? Them that the other 2 are recorded with Jesus. So we don't know. Because them cut out the Bible, you know. 66 books, you know, they're going to put out piece and make one Bible, you know, don't it? So we don't know if Jesus have 15 women on the corner, you know. But we know that Jesus did a sex 2 women, Mary of Bangladesh and the woman down by the well. You understand, people? And you notice the woman down by the well now. You see, she watch Jesus' foot. You understand? And she follow Jesus and serve Jesus. So that shows that even she play a part well as a good woman.
Yeah.
And Mary of Magdalene, she used to cook and everything, and she used to teach Jesus good at washing garments and everything. Till all the disciples and bad mind her one time, you know. So people have to read the Bible. Mary of Bangladesh and the woman down on the well. But all of the others of man them in the Bible people recorded have 300,000 wife. So how you are going to come in at that time and you say God you serve and you don't have one woman in your life? People. And worklessness. You know say the Moors them, the Jews them, how much wife them have? The 5 wife at least them have. When we got China, you know, every China man have at least 6 wives, you know. You understand? And every woman have to help work. When they got everyone at China store, where you see them? Alright. Our business alone, the years of the woman they home. Or she gonna work for a different man. And your business dead out. That's a good sign. So people, if I lie me I tell people, or they can't try to prove it's a lie me tell. Yeah man people, I don't know for the woman them not gonna like hear this because no for how they go the man bun, you know. You understand? And let me tell you something, man. If you don't want if woman they go the bun, you have a thing called soldier maca. You remember the soldier maca when we go pick the and they put on Jesus Christ and them crucify him? Put a soldier maca underneath a woman pillar. You understand? And if she wake up in the morning with the pear, strong on her skin, she give her the vagina. And she wake up in the morning with the pear, look a mark on her skin, she give her the vagina, named Soldier Maca. You understand? From what they mean, I said none about the place so tough. Remember one time they said about the place enough. The Soldier Maca, the man, you could have, you and them tall man, the tar man, you remember them maca tree there?
Man.
Yeah man, and the maca them tall pan it. Soldier maca them call it, how we call it out here.